Hey, this is Dan Kurzman of Zoom. We're here at InfoComm. I want to show you our interactive kiosk with a bunch of Zoom Spaces capabilities. If we look here, we have our virtual receptionist with a bunch of different ways we can configure buttons to call specific users, queues of users, groups of contact center agents. We also have our visitor management. Invite a visitor to the office, allow them to come check in, check out, or even register right here on the fly with customized workflows for that registration based upon the type of visitor they are. For example, the different steps you could have for any given registration can vary by the visitor type. Next, I've got our workspace reservation floor map here. This can be used to see in real-time availability of all the spaces in the office. I can switch between different floors and buildings within a campus. I can see what's available, see where my colleagues are sitting, search for a space, filter for a space, even reserve a space right here on the map by scanning a QR code to authenticate and tie that reservation to myself. Lastly, on these kiosks, we can also do things such as get directions. So I can get directions from the kiosk itself or from my desk or a checked-in space if I'm doing this from my laptop or my phone. And finally, our last app on the kiosk is deliveries. So when I have a delivery come to the office, it can be scanned in by my receiving team. I can walk over here to a kiosk and search for any packages I may have. I'm not really Joe, but I know he's got one today. We can see that some packages came in for Joe. He can walk up to that kiosk, see that package, and go ahead and pick that up and sign for the package, and he's all set. This is an interactive kiosk running Zoom Rooms for Touch with our 4 applications for kiosks. Check out more at zoom.com.